How to unsubscribe emails from Gmail. If you are looking to unsubscribe emails, this is how you do it. First thing you have to do is open up your Gmail app and make sure that you're logged into the account where you want to unsubscribe from certain emails. So, for example, right here, I've been getting a lot of emails from booking.com. And let's say if I want to unsubscribe this email. What I'm going to do is simply go ahead and tap on this unsubscribe button right besides booking.com, and it will allow me to unsubscribe from future emails. But this does not always ensure that you don't get other emails from this site. So what I'm going to do is, in order to completely stop getting emails from them, I'm going to scroll down it on until I see the bottom, and here you have an option to unsubscribe from all future emails. Once you tap on it, you'll be taken to another page, and here you should be able to unsubscribe from them. And from here, use your email address and then tap on unsubscribe button. And now you will be refrained from all of the future emails that you get from this site. As you can see, the unsubscribe has been successful. You can do the same for other things as well. So let's say if I open this one up, scroll down a bit, and then you'll find the unsubscribe button. It's not always sure the unsubscribe at the top of the screen will work. So if you want to be sure to unsubscribe, just tap on the bottom one. You'll be taken to a different site where you have an option to confirm the unsubscribe button. That is it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.